I'm at an A1 level. I'm at a B2 level. I'm at a C1 level. But what are all these levels? So we need to talk about CEFR. Welcome back on the journey of learning English with Vocabaholic. CEFR is the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. It's divided into 6 levels. This measures your ability in a language. Starting with A1, which is the basic level, then A2, elementary level, B1, intermediate, B2, upper intermediate, C1, advanced, and C2, proficient. Let's see how you can progress from beginner to advanced levels. But before proceeding further, we have got something special for you at the end of this video, so keep watching and learning till the end. Which word would you use to express your feeling of joy? Happy is the word you will use for level A1, glad for A2, cheerful for B1, delighted for B2, ecstatic for C1, and jubilant for C2. Now, let's jump over to the use of these words on all these different levels, starting with A1. She's happy today. I'm glad you came to the party. He always seems cheerful in the morning. She was delighted with her birthday gift. He was ecstatic when he heard the good news. The team was jubilant after winning the championship. Dear students, these are my sentences. Now I would love to read what you can make by using these words from level A1 to C2. Write down your sentences in the comment section below. I will definitely respond to your sentences, as our goal is to help you progress from beginner to advanced levels. So for that, here's a special surprise for you to improve your English vocabulary and grammar. I've created a series of comprehensive worksheets to understand by practicing. These worksheets include vocabulary and grammar exercises and even reading comprehension passages. These worksheets are structured by CEFR levels, so you can see how much you have improved over time. Plus, they are totally free. Just comment below your email ID and you will receive your worksheet within a day. It's that simple. So what are you waiting for? Start improving your English today by watching our videos and getting free worksheets. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and subscribe for more helpful lessons. Happy learning!